Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to type the 1/2 fraction in Microsoft Excel. We will cover two simple and professional methods to get this done fast. For the first method, head over to the top menu and click on the Insert tab. Look for the equation button on the far right and click Insert New Equation. A new box will appear on your spreadsheet. From the Equation Tools menu, click on the Fraction option and choose the Stacked Fraction layout. All you need to do now is click the top square to type a 1 and click the bottom square to type a 2. You can click and drag this equation box anywhere on your sheet and adjust its size. If you prefer a different approach, here is another quick way. Select the exact cell where you want the fraction to appear. Go back up to the Insert tab, but this time click on Symbol. In the window that pops up, make sure the font dropdown is set to normal text and change the subset dropdown to Latin 1 supplement. Locate the 1/2 symbol, click it, and hit Insert. Close the window and your fraction is neatly placed right inside the cell. That covers both ways to add fractions in Excel. If this guide helped you speed up your workflow, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more daily technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.